The big mystery, how to promote your affiliate links for free. To promote your affiliate links, the focus has to be on getting traffic. And traffic comes in the form of helpful content or information about how to solve a problem, how to do a simple task. The thing that you have to understand is you have to pick a topic. And to do that, I go inside of my Affiliating Profitable Online Business 9-step roadmap. I forget about offer and I forget about people. Inside of my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer and then adding people to an email list, when you first get started and you want to get free traffic, you want to promote an affiliate link, you need to forget about the affiliate link, you need to forget about your offer, and you need to come down here and you need to focus on traffic. Traffic is step one. It is the foundation. It is the first pillar. It is the first building block that everything else sets on top of. And first and foremost, you must pick a topic, and that topic is a solution to the problem that your affiliate product will eventually solve. That your offer, which is when someone clicks on your link, they see the offer, the product, the software, the training, the course that's going to show them how to solve their problem. They're going to see that. But first and foremost, you have to come back and you have to pick a topic which makes sure that people understand that you can help them. And you do that first by showing them that you can solve the problem. By making helpful content, you need a few tools, you need some technology, and you need to spend some time to create consistent content. Then you move to step two after you do that, and you present your offer, because then you're going to have a library or a catalog of helpful content focused on that specific topic of how to solve a problem. Now, at this point, if I was to tell you that if you could just pick one traffic source, that means you go out there and you say, I'm going to make videos on YouTube. And I was to say, I'm going to give you $135 for every video that you make. How many videos would you make? If I just said, you're going to get paid $135 for that video, every video you make on your YouTube channel, as long as you stay on topic and you focus and you help people, you show people how you can solve their problem, I'm going to pay you $135. How many videos would you make? And that brings me to the case study of Publisher Report that actually built my 9-step roadmap and my proven top strategy. And you'll see here that I have 185 videos. So if you were to bring up a calculator and say 185 videos, and I believe I said $135 per video equals $24,975, about $25,000. Would you make those 185 videos if I gave you $25,000 right now? Well, if you go over and you check this out, $25,751.62 for making those videos is what I made by adding my affiliate link for software and training and other information products that solve the problem of how to do the thing that I was talking about on Publisher Report, which was how to use KDP to primarily create and sell puzzle books. So you go back to the YouTube channel and you look at that and you say, okay, I made 185 videos. I made $25,000 just from the videos. So essentially what you saw there was me linking, me doing what I showed you here a second ago inside of affiliating, me first generating traffic by creating 185 videos here in step 3, and then creating a super simple lead magnet and also a few bonuses, but really thinking about what are the things that I can offer as long as it is focused on that singular topic of the idea and the concept of creating books to publish on Amazon. And then, of course, step 3, building an email list. But again, take your focus away from that and just go back to understand that those 185 videos were created because I was focused on traffic. I took those 185 videos and I turned them into $25,000. It was focused on this, how to publish a puzzle book on KDP. If you were to go to Google and you were to search how to publish a puzzle book on KDP, you're going to see that videos are the primary search result. So people want to see videos. Google looks at this and they say, for this topic, and you can do this with any topic. I'm not telling you to go create a channel about publishing books on KDP. I just use it as an example because it is my case study that proved the top strategy, along with other channels on this channel that I show internally over in my 30-minute marketing members only club. But here on YouTube, focus on the fact that If you are creating helpful content, and in this example, you were to make these videos, these folks actually have way more videos and have made much more money than I did because they've been in the game. They've been an affiliate. They've created their own products. They promote more products. They have more eyeballs, more views, which turn into more clicks, which is traffic over to their affiliate links and their own offers. But then you scroll down, you're going to see other things here. Of course, you're going to see the KDP community, which is an Amazon resource, some other products. Quora, you're going to see people posting about this, looking for answers over on Quora, and then more YouTube videos. If you were to go to YouTube, you're going to see sponsored. So you're going to see ads, people running ads for this keyword, how to publish a book, how to publish a puzzle book specifically on KDP. You're going to see people running ads. That's not free traffic, but it is traffic. Free traffic, paid traffic, and then below that, you're going to see more videos. Check this out. Another angle, another option for traffic is to go to Facebook and search, and then you're going to see groups. So people are building groups, and they're bringing people to these groups, or these groups are getting found, and they're sharing knowledge about how to solve this problem, which is how to publish a book or a puzzle book on Amazon. And again, that goes back to thinking about traffic. I need to get traffic. First and foremost, I need to pick a topic. I'm going to need some tools, and I'm going to need to understand the technology to create some content. And of course, I'm going to need time to be consistent and create that consistent content here on YouTube, over on Facebook, over on Quora, create a blog, Pinterest, Reddit, tons and tons of other ways to create free traffic out here on the internet, right? Looking out here saying, where are people searching for this information? Where are they getting information from? Let me focus on this topic. Let me understand the tools that I need to create that content on that platform. Let me understand the technology and how it works to make sure that I have everything that I need. Then my focus is going to shift to the time required to create consistent content, and I'm going to build that over time. Going back to this idea, this concept, like I showed you, if I was to tell you that I would give you $135 and all you had to do was make 185 videos to make $25,000, how long would you wait to make those 185 videos to cash out and get that $25,000? Well, that's all you're doing when you want to start generating traffic, or when you want to promote your affiliate links for free. You need to create consistent content. That consistent content turns into traffic to your offers, which turns into clicks, which turns into commissions, and that turns into $25,000 for just a little bit of focus. Just a little bit of focus, picking a topic, helping people by actually helping them, showing them how to solve their problem, and then providing an offer that ultimately solves their problem in the form of your affiliate link. They click it, they buy, you earn a commission, and that's how you promote your affiliate links for free. By the way, if this sounds great and you'd like to dive a little bit deeper into this mystery and honestly solve it once and for all, there's a link in the description. It'll take you over, and I have a deep dive for you into the world of traffic, and it'll really just click for you, and you'll move past this traffic misconception of what traffic actually is, or how to promote your affiliate links for free. Traffic's what you need. Link in the description. Check it out. Lots of great detail there. We're going to deep dive into this together. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.